Here's how you can make Phantom Puppet in Gacha online. So this is gonna be easy. So here, just head AC 30 300 and 317. Also, this is gonna be for Foxy's head. I remember my friend saying he wanted a Foxy tutorial, and I said maybe, I don't know. So here he's gonna use this. So anyway, sleeves 12, shirt just choose anyone, pants 1, no shoes, just the it's just not hiding legs. Drop. Okay, it's 6,325, and you're done. Just put black on it. And for eyes, 33. Pupils, 999, and you're done.